In this example, we're going to be working with a rectangular prism whose dimensions are going to be given to us by algebraic expressions, and a is going to be the variable which you were using. Okay, it looks like the length here is going to be 5a minus 8, the width is a squared plus 9, and the height here is 3a plus 8. So the first thing I want to do is to go ahead and write an algebraic expression that will give me the volume for this. So the volume for a rectangular prism is going to be the length times the width, sometimes called the depth, and then times the height. I'm just multiplying all three of them together. So I could say 5a minus 8 times a squared plus 9 times 3a plus 8. You could go ahead and multiply that out if you wanted to. Right now there's no need to do that. So part B then says, all right, well, if a equals 6, what are the dimensions of this rectangular prism? Well, if a is 6, it just means we need to plug 6 in for each one of these, which then we could do it here as well. So if a is 6, 5 times 6 is 30, minus 8 is 22 units. Okay, and then 6 squared is 36, plus 9 is 45 units. And finally here, a equals 6, so 3 times 6 is 18 plus 8, and that'll be 26 units. And it looks like our units are in inches, so we know the dimensions here, and the 5a then minus 8, I'm going to say that's 22 inches. The a squared plus 9 is 45 inches. And the 3a plus 8 is 26 inches. Okay, so now we know all of these dimensions. So now part C is talking about, well, let's go ahead and find that volume. Okay, so to do that, we're just going to multiply all of these values together, the numeric parts, and then I'll have inches, 1, 2, 3, so inches cubed, since we're multiplying. Let's see, 22 times 45 should be 990, and we're going to multiply that by 26, and it should be something like 25,740, and that'll be inches cubed for our volume on that one. So again, we were able to work with a rectangular prism. Our dimensions were given to us as algebraic expressions, and once we knew a value for that variable a, we could kind of work our business here.